welcome to IKEA. IKEA is a beautiful place to chill out and hang out with your friends. Make sure you don't come alone. Wanna know what I like to do in IKEA if I were to go in there? I probably like to go and relax and pretend that this is my house and it's my living room, and start laying on the bed, and start sleeping on it. Hey, what you doing sleeping on that bed? It's so comfortable. The bed is so comfortable, I wanna sleep on it. No, it's a shock. If you wanna sleep on a bed, you have to get your own bed first, or else I'll boot you out of the shops, you know? IKEA ain't the place for you to sleep. IKEA is the place for you to buy stuff, you know? Then what am I supposed to eat if I was hungry? Oh, don't worry, we have breakfast upstairs anytime you're hungry and you want to eat something. Don't start munching and munching, because the more you munch too much, yeah, you might make people want to look at you. What is this guy doing? What is this man absolutely doing? Oh, this guy's chewing. Okay, chewing, I'm trying to swallow them. Swallow them, right? Yeah, so I can touch that belly. Yes, so that I can be active. You have to pay. Yeah, you have to pay. Yeah, you have to pay. Yeah. Alright. Cha-ching! I paid. You happy now? Yes, of course I'm happy. You know how happy I am. Everybody knows that, including Mama. Yeah. Also, there's lunch downstairs anytime you're hungry too. Why do you wanna go to IKEA and eat some breakfast there? What happened to the breakfast at your house? Yeah? Is there no breakfast at home? Is this why you just wanna go to IKEA and just waste your money and buy some stuff like breakfast? What's for breakfast, right? We have some eggs, bacons, potatoes, chips. Oh, please, who eats chips for breakfast? Meatballs. Maybe that might be a bowl inside the meat, where you kick the meat. I wouldn't kick the meat if I were you, because there might be stews inside, and you might stain your shoes. Yeah. If you make a mess on the floor, you have to clean it up yourself. Nobody's gonna clean it for you but yourself, because you made a mess. Yeah. Also, there's a lunch downstairs when you're done going upstairs. Yeah, I have to still pay, because no food is free for you to eat. Yeah. You could eat a bit of hot dog. Yeah. Maybe the dog is inside a bun. Yeah, that bread roll. Yeah. And what if the dog is like, I'm gonna just get out of the bun so that nobody eats me. I'm gonna start grabbing my hot dog and be like, I'm gonna eat you. Don't you dare try to run away. Hey, wait a minute, where's my sauce? chase you. You better catch your butt right there, right now. Come over here, you bad doggy. You bad doggy. What is your food doing to my hot dog? You're making me wanna scratch my body. Scratch it, scratch it, scratch it. Ooh, I'm itchy, I'm itchy, I'm itchy. Cause somebody get me a bit of cream. I need some cream to get so I can stop scratching myself like a cat would do. Meow, 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 meow. Stop scratching, stop scratching. Ain't good for you. It's not the best idea to go scratch yourself. There's a high chance you can go cut yourself. You want to wrap a bit of toilet paper. As you can see right now, IKEA's closed because of coronavirus. Coronavirus had to ruin everything, and we don't like that. Yeah. I'm done making a comedy out of IKEA, so yeah, I'm out.